Hi there, sixth graders. It's Mrs. McDougall checking in to make sure that you know what you're doing today. All right, first of all, I want to make sure that we go into the e-learning resources fourth quarter folder in Schoology. And we're going to go to today, which is Thursday and Friday, June 4th and 5th. Today's Thursday, but this is a 2-day opportunity for you to catch up and finish anything in our folder that we have. We are pushing to the very end, and you guys are doing just great. So we're going to look at the agenda first of all. We're watching the video right now, and thanks for watching that. And then when that's done, you are going to be completing tasks 14 through 17 in the folder that I'm just about to click on, the Chapter 9 U.S. Dakota War Materials folder. I'd like you to finish this by Friday night so that you're completely done with materials needed in the grade book. So I'm going to scroll down to those tasks, 14, 15, 16, and 17. And they're right in here in the Chapter 9 U.S. Dakota War Materials folder. We're going to click. And I'm hoping that you will have done all of the things leading up to those tasks. They are no longer in a completion folder because we had some challenges with some technology issues. So right now you are on this last section right here. So yesterday you were supposed to finish Chapter 9 U.S. Dakota War Quiz Part 2. And I've gone through the grade book to make sure that you have completed all of these tasks. If you notice, I want you to go into your grade book and I want you to look for any orange hexagons to see if you are missing any of these things in the grade book. Finish those up first. Then come on back here and you are going to then, you've done all the reading. If you're up to this point, you have finished the reading for Chapter 9. So here you will be doing a discussion board reflecting on a question that we have out for you. This is a simulation that can bring you through a number of different paths. It's a simulation I think you're going to find interesting about some of the treaties and how they were broken and how the process went, how the U.S. government handled these with the Dakota. And finally, on Friday, I'm hoping that you will watch this Let Them Eat Grass. Next week, we are going to be doing some Kahoots, and I look forward to seeing you during those Kahoots. And today, if you have any questions at all, please message me, and we will do a quick Google Meets, and my code is always the same, MacDougall, M-M-E, all lowercase. And I'm happy to pop on there with you and get you started. But this is a final push. You guys are doing so well. Let this be a day of catch up to finish anything that you have missing and push through for the last few things. Again, I look forward to seeing you either through a Schoology message, a Google Meets, or next week doing the Kahoots. Have a great day, everyone.